Hello future business owners, and welcome back to today's episode. So are you sitting on a brilliant business idea? Like maybe you sell the best homemade chin-chin in Port-Harcourt, or you source stunning Ankara fabrics for sale, and you've been thinking, how do I set up an online store? Is the process too techy, complicated, or time consuming? What if I told you that in less than 15 minutes, you could become a proud owner of a professionally built online store, ready to receive orders from any part of Nigeria? So in this video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to set up your online store on PHVendorSquare. So let's dive right in. But before we start, let's be sure that you have everything you need to go through the process. First off, you'll be needing a smartphone or a laptop. Secondly, you will need a reliable internet connection. Thirdly, you will need some products which I'm going to list, and details like your product name, product description, and any other additional information. Fourthly, you will need high-resolution images of your products which you intend to publish. And lastly, you will need your bank account details to enable you get paid after every sale. If you have that next to you, then let's start. So let's get into our system. First, we will need to visit the PHVendorSquare website. Once you're there, you look for the vendor sign up button or become a vendor button. It's usually big and bright. You can't miss it. You click on it, then you see a simple form. The first section requires your name and email addresses. Once you finish filling it, you press the activate button. That section is for vendor support. After that, you then go to the second section. You fill in your basic details, your name, your valid email, and shop details. And then you click register. Then check your email for a verification link or links. Click it and boom, you are inside. So you see, it's that easy. The first step is done in under 2 minutes. Now for the fun part, making your store look like your brand, you have to look for a section called My Store or Store Setting. Here you can add your store name, you make it catchy, and any other related information to what you sell. Add your logo, your banner, if there's need for that, and then you could start listing your products. Many platforms let you choose a theme or color or logo. So if you have a logo, upload it. If not, don't worry, a clean professional store name works perfectly. This is about building trust with your customers at first glance. Now let's go to the next section, which is adding your first product. This is the heart of your store. Let's create a product together. First, you start with the product name and description. You need to be clear and descriptive. Instead of nice dress, you could try something like red Ankara midi dress with balloon sleeves. And for the description, you mention the fabric, who it's for, and its key features. Then you upload high-resolution photos. This is crucial. Uploading clear, bright photos from different angles is very important. Show the product in use. If it's a bag, show someone carrying it. If it's a dress, show someone wearing it. Good photos build trust. Next is the price and inventory. Always set your price. Be sure to factor in your cost. Then add how many you have in stock so you don't oversell. Next is the category. Select the right category like fashion or food and drink, depending on what you're selling. This would enable customers find you. And then you click save or publish, and just like that, your first product is live. Now let's look at the product as it's listed on the store. Repeat this for all your other products. Now the last step is finalizing payment and shipping. You're almost there now. So let's make sure you can get paid and deliver your goods. You need to go to settings. Under settings, you see payment methods. Under payment methods, you see enable bank transfer. This is the most trusted method in Nigeria. Platforms like PHVendorSquare often have secure integrated payment gateways. You can enable those too. You can also enable those for more options from your customer. We also have shipping. For shipping fees, they have been set up for you, but as time goes on, we will release updates that would allow vendors set up their preferred shipping options and shipping rates. And there you have it. Your online store is now live on PHVendorSquare. Easy. You are ready to now start receiving orders from within Port-Harcourt and from all over Nigeria. But your journey is just beginning, and the best part is that you don't have to go it all alone. I want to personally invite you to join our exclusive PHVendorSquare Discord server. It's a free, vibrant community where you can ask questions, get instant feedback on your store from other vendors, learn about latest features, and find reliable delivery partners. It's your support system and growth. The link is in the description box below. So what are you waiting for? Go set up your store and come and join our exclusive community. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and also subscribe for more simple guides on how to grow your business. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.